This is the taste of Italy. Warm, golden and full of tradition. Today we're making Italian semolina bread with a secret that takes it to the next level. With just a few simple ingredients, we create something truly extraordinary. So what's the secret? A biga, an Italian pre-ferment that enhances flavor, texture and shelf life. After a rest time of 20 hours, it will give your bread an extra boost, creating deep and complexity you'll taste in every bite. To make the biga, we mix semolina flour and a pinch of yeast, a simple yet powerful combination. Next, we add water, just enough to bring it together. Time to use your hands. Knead gently. This step brings life to the mixture, forming the base of our bread. Now you need to have some patience. Let it rest for 20 hours, allowing the biga to ferment and develop those incredible flavors. At the next day, we can prepare the dough for the bread. We start with our dry ingredients: semolina flour, a touch of all-purpose flour, yeast and salt to balance the flavors. Mix everything and add water and a drizzle of olive oil for richness. Now, knead until the dough comes together, smooth and soft. Let's check on our biga. Look at this transformation. It's ready to join the dough. Divide the biga into smaller pieces and work it into the dough. Make sure that the biga is fully incorporated. Oil your hands to prevent sticking and knead with energy. Slap, fold, repeat. It's your workout and builds the dough strength. Let the dough rest for about 4 to 6 hours to rise slowly. The dough will develop its typical structure. And here's the result: soft, airy perfection. Fold the dough gently to build layers on texture. This step creates that soft crumb inside the crust. A sprinkle of semolina adds a rustic touch and prevents sticking. A quick incision allows the bread to expand beautifully in the oven. Bake for around 45 minutes at 415 Fahrenheit and let the oven do its magic. And here it is, your Italian semolina bread, a masterpiece of flavor and tradition, perfect for any meal or as a gift from a kitchen.